Selling your car in Oklahoma. Here's exactly how to sign your title the correct way. This is your Oklahoma Certificate of Title, issued by Service Oklahoma. Unlike a lot of states, you sign it on the front, in the Assignment of Title by Registered Owner section. Before you start, sign in blue or black ink only, no other colors, no pencil or marker, and don't use whiteout or cross anything out. Mistakes can void the title. Step 1. Fill in the purchaser's name and complete address on the purchaser lines. That's the buyer's information. Step 2. Write the actual purchase price of the vehicle. Oklahoma's excise tax is based on the vehicle's actual sale price, so make sure it's accurate. Step 3. Enter the vehicle's current mileage in the odometer boxes, whole miles only, no tenths, and check a box only if the reading is over the odometer's limit or isn't the actual mileage. Step 4. This is where you sign the signature of seller line and print your name beside it. Every owner listed on the title has to sign. Important, don't sign until you're with a notary. Step 5. Sign in front of a notary. The notary fills in the subscribed and sworn line, signs as notary public, and stamps the seal box. The one thing Oklahoma sellers can't skip: your signature must be notarized. Oklahoma is one of the few states that requires it, so don't sign until you're in front of a notary. Many banks and tag agencies can do it on the spot. 2 more things. Your license plate stays with you, not the car. Take it off and move it to your next vehicle or turn it in. And file a notice of transfer, Form 773, with Service Oklahoma to protect yourself from the buyer's tickets and tolls.